How to use the power of journaling to clear the mind. Many of us struggle daily with a noisy, angry, and anxious mind. We have 1,000 thoughts racing all at once, and this causes us to be distracted, unhappy, and far less effective and efficient than we could be. The good news is that there are many different ways that you can overcome this noise, and many different tools that you can use to calm and clear the mind. One of the most powerful of these, journaling. In this presentation, we'll see what journaling is, why it's such a powerful tool, and how you can start using it. So journaling essentially means keeping a diary of events and taking time to write down things that happen. Normally, you would do this at the end of every day. You can write as much or as little as you'd like. And while you can find structured books that help to guide you through the journaling process, it's also possible to approach journaling in a completely free-form manner and to write about whatever you wish. There are a few goals. Firstly, writing down what happened during the day is a great way to take stock and to see what went well and what went badly. We call this black box thinking, in that it allows you to see the mistakes you made to ensure you work better in the future. This can help you to dream more effectively and to remember more. When we sleep, we form stronger memories about important things, and we also make novel connections from what we've learned in order to learn new things. By writing last thing at night, you can tell your brain what to focus on when forming memories and coming up with new ideas. You can likewise use journaling in order to help yourself work through difficult emotions and things that went wrong. When you have an argument or you make a mistake, it's common to find yourself reacting harshly in the moment. This is naturally due to the cascade of neurotransmitters and hormones that flood into our brain. By taking time to take stock and to think about what happened logically, you can look at the problem with a much cooler head. The result, you wake up the next day with a calmer mind, and you are more likely to perform well and feel good about yourself.
I have a special gift for you, and it's absolutely free. Would you like to learn how to clear blocks of disbelief and how to attract more positive experiences into your life? How to think it, feel it, believe it. How to bring out the greatness of the moment and live in your desired manifestation and cultivate a sense of abundance. Download your guided meditation absolutely free and discover the fastest way to help you manifest whatever you want into your reality. Please visit ultimatehappinesscode.com.